Did you know that National Women's History Month, celebrated in March, originally began as just a single week? Let's dive into the evolution and significance of this pivotal month in 2024. National Women's History Month traces its roots back to the early 20th century with the growing awareness and acknowledgement of women's contributions. Initially, International Women's Day, celebrated on March 8, was the primary focus. It wasn't until 1980, in the United States, that President Jimmy Carter declared the week of March 8 as National Women's History Week. This expanded to a month-long celebration in 1987, after Congress passed a resolution. So, why is this month so crucial, and who exactly celebrates it? National Women's History Month is a global observance, though its recognition varies by country. It's a time to reflect on the often overlooked contributions of women in history, culture, and society. It's not just about celebrating women's achievements, it's about raising awareness against bias, advocating for equality, and promoting the understanding of women's roles in history. People engage with this event in various ways. Educational institutions might organize lectures or special programs focused on women's history. Communities may hold events highlighting local women who have made significant contributions. Social media campaigns often run throughout the month, sharing stories and facts about influential women. It's also a time when women's achievements in various fields are acknowledged and celebrated, be it in science, politics, arts, or social movements. If there's one thing to remember about National Women's History Month, it's that it's a celebration of progress, a call to action for continued gender equality, and a reminder of the resilience and contributions of women throughout history. Now, let's consider the broader implications. Celebrating National Women's History Month plays a vital role in fostering societal cohesion and global understanding. It's not just about acknowledging past achievements, it's about shaping a future where gender equality is the norm, not the exception. Emerging trends in celebrating diversity point towards more inclusive narratives. We are seeing a shift from merely celebrating notable figures to recognizing the everyday contributions of women from all walks of life. This inclusivity extends to women of all races, ethnicities, socioeconomic backgrounds, and sexual orientations. Cross-cultural collaborations are vital. For instance, consider how International Women's Day is celebrated across various countries, each adding its unique cultural twist yet sharing a common goal of gender equality. Reflective questions for the audience. How can we ensure that the celebration of women's history is inclusive and diverse? What can we learn from the ways different cultures celebrate women's achievements? How can men actively participate in and support National Women's History Month? The big takeaway: National Women's History Month is more than just a celebration, it's a pivotal time to reflect on our collective progress towards gender equality and to recommit to the ongoing struggle for women's rights. It's a call to action for all of us, irrespective of gender, to play a part in creating a more equitable world.